I am truly, truly happy to be here this morning. We look forward to this coming together of all of us leaders going into the future. And I wish our great leaders in Parliament the very best as they continue to put us together in this prayer breakfast. God bless you.
Your Excellency, just before I call the Speaker of Senate, the Honorable Kingi, who was also my classmate at the university and at the law school, and also went to Alliance. I really like to, thank you. I really like to thank the speakers from the counties for bringing along the children you saw here. Jesus said, bring the children to me. That is the future of the country. I really want to thank the speakers that have seen the children from Makueni here, where I represent as a Senate. Your Excellency, we also have student leaders and a program called AYLF, who also help us run this program. And they were there yesterday during the national conversation. They come from